on, guys? It is Dylan here. Today I will be going over a ticker symbol analysis on the ticker symbol MVIS microvision. Before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know that I am bullish on microvision. These guys have a bunch of innovative technology. They got a bunch of cool stuff. I do think these guys have a lot of potential. They just signed a big agreement. But yeah, I could talk about the company for a while, but this is a technical analysis video. This isn't a due diligence video, so we're going to hop right into the fundamentals. So these are all the levels I got marked up. Some of these levels kind of more apply to the short-term time frame rather than the long-term. I do think $12 is an apparent floor of the stock. As you can see right here is initial breakout point right here. Simply just low price rejection from that range, nothing else. So I do think this 1171, or you can move it up to $12, whatever, same thing. Well, not the same thing, but close to it. I do think that will be the floor. I don't think we will come down there. $14 is looking really good too. There's a lot of buying pressure. We will go over in the other time frames. All right. So for the daily candle, big wide bar here, and off crazy news with some upper price rejection, right? And then today we had just a even candle on price rejection, upwards and downwards kind of, but you know, it's definitely not a good candle. Definitely a little bit of a slaughter today, but we did go up 50% the other day, so you do expect a sell-off in my opinion, but you know, we're gonna hop right into that. So you see the RSI is at 51, so this is a momentum indicator. It did snap right back down today, which was a bad sign right off the get-go. We still are in the 50 to 70 range though, so I like my stocks to be in the 50 to 70 range, generally in an upwards trend, but you know, 50 to 70 is a nice range. I like to have it at. Okay, so we are above the 200-day MA right here, the green line right here. We are above the 50-day MA as well, which is good, and the 9-day MA. Now we haven't even tested this yet, so I do think these will show very nice forms of support. At least I hope. These are very good moving averages with good statistics and well respected by traders. We're gonna head over to the 1 hourly. 1 hourly is a clear, prominent bull flag. What's a bull flag, you might ask? Well, an upwards flagpole like thing. You see the flagpole right here. It's not rocket science. Flagpole followed by a downwards channel. Right, it does seem that we're consolidating around these levels right here, the 1525, and we are consolidating, trying to break the top of this flag. So if we do get rejected, that wouldn't be good, but we do have the 200 behind us, well, I should say below us, and the 50-day, which is creeping up, which is money. I do think that these could potentially act as a nice form of support or leverage to break this bullish flag. So for the volume, we're going to head over to the daily really fast, 'cause I don't think I went over that. We barely got around half of that volume. We didn't quite actually, so that's not too good. We got just about half, but we had crazy news, right? And ran up 50%. And yeah, this is kind of short central beforehand, just because people like shorting stocks with low sales to price ratio, low sales to earnings ratio, especially in these times, right? A lot of growth stocks went up in the beginning of the day, and then they just went down. Not all of them, but some of them, right? So nonetheless, we had big news, and the shorts took well advantage of that. I'm sure they're ready to cover right here, all in these breaks of the flags, but it just came so close, but we couldn't quite break it. So I do think if we break this bullish flag, you can see a nice movement to, you know, at least the 16, maybe between the 17, 15, 16, 10 range, anywhere in between, I think, is pretty reasonable. So yeah, we're gonna head over to the 15-minute to get a more minute point of things. All right. So we do kind of have this uptrend that was a previous uptrend, right? And we are kind of meeting up with that. It's kind of sloppy line. Sorry about that. So we do have a previous uptrend right here. So will this be a nice support? You know, it wouldn't surprise me. We came up from $11 all the way from 13 basically, hugging that. So I do think that is potentially something to keep an eye on. We're gonna head over to the 4 hourly. RSI is at 54 in a downwards trend, which isn't good, but It is in 50 to 70 range nonetheless, so I do like the momentum. I wish it was up, but it's fine. We are in a golden cross, surprisingly. We are in a golden cross. It is tightening out, so we want to see big green bars of volume step in and, you know, I can't find the word, step in and widen this out. Very, very strange how, we have a bunch of green bars right here, and we're just selling off. I mean, it's not out of the blue, but we have strong price, not rejection, strong buying pressure in the MACD with the 4 hour says, and we kind of did suffer today. So naked shorting or whatnot, I don't know. I'm not too big of a statistics guy. I don't dive too deep into that. I don't like to speculate, but go back in the 30-minute, zoom out, and here's what I wanted to show you guys, which I forgot. So we're going to go to the 1 month point of things, and you do see that around these levels that we are approaching is very, very crucial support right here. So you see that in the past, right here, right here, right here, right here, we reject off these levels a lot, and we get support nicely. Right, so I do think this is pretty attractive levels, especially to people that wanted to get in here, but it ran up too high. I do think that this could potentially be a nice opportunity. And you do see that on the 1 hourly, the ascending support is pretty damn clean. We are coming in to meet that with the moving averages, with the bull flag. I do think that a rip is kind of due, not going to lie. But time will tell. If we get rejected and we keep going down this flag, eventually the flag will be too long. I think once you come down to the $14 level, then it's just kind of ridiculous. Then it's just a downwards channel that needs to be broken. But I do think we have a lot of leverage potentially coming into next Monday, but we do need to see more volume. I would like to see a volume confirmation. We didn't see that today. I did cut some of my profits, but me personally, I'm not a financial advisor. I do plan to take out around half my position around the April automotive lidar hype if all goes well, which I really do think will. It'll straight be fraudulent if it doesn't, but anyways, besides the fact, this is not financial advice. Anything I say or do in this video is strictly for entertainment purposes only. But with that being said, guys, I am going to end the video right here. I really appreciate you guys sticking to this point of the video. It really does mean a lot. I really hope you guys have a good day. It was a bloody day. I hope it didn't affect any of you guys, but proper risk management, guys, and I will be making these videos daily to help you guys out if I can. Have a good day, guys. Appreciate all the love you guys have been showing me. Peace.